3,000 naira today is very, very simple because there is a new app that will enable you to make at least 3,000 naira a day in Nigeria. And if you look at my dashboard now, you see I've just started this particular work for just few hours before I entered into this video. If you look at my dashboard, I already have 60 naira that I've just been able to make. I'll be able to show you everything, every step-by-step guide that you need for you to start making money from this particular app that I'll be showing you today. All you have to do is to watch from the beginning to the end, stick around, so that at the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the step-by-step guide that you need to actually make this money online. And what I did here was just to do some simple tasks, some tasks that are very simple. All those tasks, I carry them out, and as I do that, I get paid. Hi guys, my name is Linus, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make 3,000 naira daily in Nigeria using this simple app. And if you stick around from now to the end of this video, you're actually going to get step-by-step guide, and I'm going to be telling you everything that you need for you to be able to make this money. Please, I urge you not to watch this video halfway and start doing anything. Watch from the beginning to the end and ensure that you follow step-by-step guide as I'm going to be describing them in this video. Come back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online. Please make sure that if you're getting value from this video, that you're going to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that each time I drop a wonderful video, just like the one you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to notify you. Also, make sure that you share this video among your family and friends and those who actually are undergoing some financial difficulties, that are going to watch this video and start implementing whatever I'm going to teach you today, and also start making their own money. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for being part of my channel. And make sure that you're going to like this video and also share it among your family and friends. And in today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide. Like if you look at this first thing, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to get started and what you are needed to do. Because in this particular site that I'll be teaching you today, there are two things you can do. But one thing is that we are here to make money. So we are going to get started as earners, not as advertisers. And if you look at this channel as well, you're going to be seeing some top earners, people who have actually earned some money from what I'll be teaching you today. Somebody has earned 1,540 naira. So that's what the person has as a current balance. Somebody has also earned 71,350. Somebody has actually also earned 45,850 naira. And if you look at my own dashboard, like I showed you before, I've been able to make 69, just few tasks that I was able to do before I come on board on this particular video. I'll be showing you how you are going to make this money step by step. All you need to do is to stick around. And if you look at some of the testimonies, my account was activated without stress. At first, I was very scared that I might get scammed, but it was approved immediately, and I'm so happy. So I made for earners. The first thing you need to do, you register and log in to your account. You click here to register. And the second thing you need to do is to activate your account by making a one-time payment of 1,000 naira only. Boom, you can start massively from your platform. Then the step is to add your bank account and withdraw your funds to your local bank, without any referral required. Payment delivered in seconds. Minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 naira. If you activate your account with 1,000 naira, and once you're able to make 1,000 naira, you'll be able to start withdrawing your money instantly. Now let's just look at how the registration page looks like. If you click here, then what you need to do is to put your first name, put your last name, put your username, your email address, then you register as. In this place, please, you're not going to register as earner because we are here to make money. And this referral code, we're going to click the link I'm going to leave in the description of this video. Click that particular link. This is going to take you directly to this particular page. Now, you're going to put your password and confirm your password. And once you do that, you click on register. And if you already have an account, what you need to do is to click on here. Click here to log in. Now, let me just click here for us to be able to see what we can do to make money on this particular website. If I click here now, it's going to take me to where I will log in. Now I've actually successfully logged in. So for you to be able to make this money, there are two ways you can do this. One, you can do some simple tasks that are on this particular website. You can also refer some people. Any person that you refer to and the person activates his or her account with the 1,000 naira minimum requirement, you are going to get 300 naira bonus. And once the person begins to make money, you actually get 0.5% of the first person's deposit. Any person you refer, you're going to get 0.5% of that person's first deposit. You also get 300 naira bonus if you refer an earner and they activate their account. So now let me show you some of the things I have done for me to be able to make this little 16 naira before I came on board on this video. Now, if you come to tasks now, there are several tasks that you can do. There's so many tasks that are available. If you look at this first task, we will have Facebook page follow, and this is going to pay you 5 naira. We have TikTok page follow, and it's going to pay you 5 naira. And they have Twitter retweet with quote, it's going to pay you 8 naira. So what I normally do is this. If I come to this place, I'll go to this select type. If you select job type, we're going to look at all these. These are jobs you can actually do. You have Apple Music, App Store, Audiomack, Boomplay, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Play Store, and the rest of them. So what I normally do is this. I check the ones that can actually give me the highest paid amount of money. Now, I've checked things like, if you look at Play Store, for instance, if you click Play Store now, and once it opens, if there's no any job in it, you leave it and go back. Then if you come to Telegram, for instance, that's another job I can do. If you click here, then you wait and see, these are some of the jobs that are present now. You have this one here says Telegram channel. If you view the task, you'll be able to see the kind of task that you are required to do. But meanwhile, before I do this task, for you to be able to see how you earn this money, there's something that is very, very important that I need to tell you. Please, before you be able to do this, you need to click on this social media so that you're going to add all your social media accounts. These are some of the social media accounts I've added. So if you come here, I've added my Play Store, I've added my App Store, I've added my Telegram, I've added my Twitter, I've added my Instagram, and the rest of them. So before you be able to start making this money, you must be able to add all these social media accounts here. Each of them you add, you allow them, they will verify it within 24 hours. Now you can come here. Once you add all of them and they are verified, what you need to do again, you come here and click on task. Once any of the tasks opens, like now, what I will do here is to go over to Telegram. I'll go to Telegram here and select the task that I like to do. If I click over here, I'm going to filter it. Now, you see, these are the jobs that are available here right now. If you don't like any of these jobs here, you can actually click on delete to delete each and every one of them. So what I have to do here is to click here. If you click on view task, then you're going to look at the task that you'll be required to do. Now, the guide here says, please ensure you are logged in. Never submit sensitive information to the channel joined. Making payment to anyone in this channel is done at your own risk. Join the Telegram channel on the link below. Then you need to come and view the job. You view this job here. So this job here says, this channel accepts new subscribers only after they are approved by its admin. Then you click request to join. Then you have done this task. So what you need to do back again, you go back to the main click that you are doing this thing. Then what you need to do here is, if you click your username is already there. Then if this one requires you to put a proof, the proof is for you to screenshot this Telegram that you have actually, you screenshot this here now. If you screenshot this particular Telegram, then you go back to this place and click and select the screenshot. Once you select the screenshot from this place, you click on submit. Then once you click on submit, you are going to wait for them to verify the task that you have done. And once your task is verified, definitely you will get paid. Okay, now let's look at some of the tasks I've actually done, and you will see the one that I've actually done. So these tasks, as you do those tasks, these are the last 10 tasks done. As I'm doing them, some of them are still pending. I'm still waiting for them to verify. And once they verify this thing, my earning is going to increase. Please, if you're still watching up to this particular point and you're getting value, turn on the bell notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you're actually getting a value from it. And now let's go back. If you come back to payments, for instance, here, that's where you can actually request for your payment. And before you do that, please make sure that you're going to link your bank account. If you look at this place here, where we have add bank account. If you click this bank account, you're going to include all your bank account here. Like my own, you see the bank account I have there. Then that's what you're going to do. Then once you do all these things, as soon as your money reaches 1,000 naira, you can actually request for it. And one other thing there is this: if you come to this price list here now, you'll be able to see. Now this price list is another place I also used to select the kind of job I think would be very, very good for me. Let me show you, for instance. If you have an Apple Store account, if you go to that, if you have an app phone, you can just go here, click on this, and each of these apps you download, you'll be paid 40 naira. Then if you come down, these are some, like if you have Boost Play account, if you're able to do this task, you'll be paid 7 naira. And if you come here, if you go to Facebook and you comment, you'll be paid 10 naira. So sometimes I come down here to filter those tasks that I know that are very, very good for me. Like now, if you go to Play Store and you download any app, you'll be paid 40 naira. Then if you're able to do all these things consistently, at least you'll be able to make 3,000 naira per day from this particular website. And if you go to their review, like we've shown before on Trustpilot, that people are actually trusting this website. And if you also check some of the people that have actually earned higher from this particular website, you'll find out that people are actually making money. Like I've started, make sure that once you just register at this particular website, you copy out that referral link is going to help you. That once people come through you, you actually get paid 0.5% of whatever thing they have earned. Please make sure you're going to log into this website. Make sure you're going to log into this website. Follow the step-by-step guide as I've described here. I told you the step-by-step guide you need to do is you register. Make sure you activate your account with 1,000 naira, and also ensure that you add your bank account so that as soon as you reach up to the 1,000 naira minimum balance, you will definitely get paid. This website we're talking about is socialearning.org. Go to socialearning.org. I'm going to link it up in the description box. Just click on the link in that description box and it's going to take you to socialearning.org. That's the name of the site we've been discussing from the beginning. Guys, if you have watched to this particular point and you have not subscribed, please try as much as possible to subscribe. Try as much as possible to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything you need to talk about this video or some other videos I've made, please go to the comment section, comment. I'll be there at all times to respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.